Welcome to the video. So today we have a French vanilla coffee creamer. So this is International Delight, and this happens to be the zero sugar version. This is what I had at home already that I use in my coffee every day, but you could use the regular one that has sugar. That's not a problem. But in a way, this might be a good thing because it's actually going to cut back on some of the sweetness to this slushy. So we're going to start here with 125 milliliters of the coffee creamer. Now we'll pour that into the machine first. Now this is for 1 liter. So I'm going to put half of this orange pop in, and this is the Compliments orange soda pop. Now of course you could use, any brand that you like. I was looking for Fanta, but I couldn't find that. So my local Sobeys, when I was there, this is really all they had. So I'm just going to go with that. So this is basically going to yield, 1 liter. So I'm going to go half of this. And nothing has to be exact measurements. So we're getting close to half. There, that's about half. So we'll put this on. Now I'm going to go for soft drink, and I'll turn the thickness all the way up so it's set for minus 2.2 Celsius. Now if you guys play guitar, please check out the link below in the description to this video, and I have a whole bunch of guitar instrumentals and a bunch of various lessons that I think are valuable, and they're all for free, and they all include the backing tracks that I make. So if you're interested in that and you play guitar, make sure you check that out. Let me just it's getting a weird reading there. It said minus 22. Oh, there's no minus. It's just saying it's 21. Okay, so we'll come back in 15 minutes and see how this is freezing. Okay, this is 15 minutes later. It's at 0.2, so it's still on the positive side. It's going to go into the minus side any second here. 0.0. Now we're minus 0.1. So this recipe is for one person, so this is just for myself. Again, I'm using only 125 milliliters of the zero sugar Delight and 1 liter of orange pop. So if you wanted to use the whole bottle, you would double up and you would use 250 milliliters of the creamer. So you can see it's turning out quite nice. We're at minus 1 now, 0.0. So it's getting close to what I asked it to, freeze at. So we'll come back in about, we'll give it about 10 minutes, maybe not even that. Okay, it's been exactly 10 minutes, and by looking at the machine from the top here, you can tell it's done. I had set it for the thickness of minus 2.2, and right now it's at minus 2.0. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it. And give it a little taste test here. I think it's amazing. And you know, this really is the first time I made this. And after tasting that, I don't think I would go with a regular sugared creamer. I would use the zero sugar, because to me this is way sweet enough. Again, it depends on how sweet your orange pop is, but I think this tastes amazing. Already it's at minus 2.1, so it's going to stop right away. Yeah, that's perfect. Would I add any more coffee creamer? No, I think it's just right. You know, the good thing about this, it's only 2 ingredients, and it's cheap to make, because the pop cost me, you know, $1. I buy these at Walmart. This is the 1.42 liter, and I pay $8 for those. So to make this, you know, if you made a full batch, it would cost you just a little over $2. I think that's amazing. I'm going to pour some of this at the minus 2.2 after it just beeped. It might be a little thicker, so I would go with the minus 2.2, just let it beep. I have to say that this is probably in my top 5 slushies that I made, and I've made over 25 now. So I highly recommend trying this. I think it's awesome. You could add vodka to this or white rum later. Do I think it would go with this? It wouldn't be bad. It wouldn't be my first choice. But I think it's just a drink that, you know, you can make for the whole family. I think it's awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching. And again, check out the link below, and check out some of my guitar playing. Anyway, have a great day. Okay, I did a second batch, but I made this one a little bit colder, so it's at minus 2.5, and it's a lot thicker. So if you prefer a thicker slushy drink, then try the minus 2.5 versus the minus 2.2 that I did at the start of the video. I think this is just perfect. Thanks for watching.